Hello and welcome to the Engineer to You channel. In this video, I will show how to make an art wall clock. Besides watching our as usual clock, this clock can be used to decorate our home or working place. Let's see how it's made. Step 1. Make design with CorelDRAW software. I use software CorelDRAW to draw clock with exact dimension. The software helps me to imagine how the clock looks before I make it. The detailed process to draw it can be found in next video, where each step how to draw will be shown. After complete the design, I rearrange each layer to prepare for cutting. If you like this design, you can download it in the description section of this video, then print out to make your own this clock. Step 2. Cut each layer by laser CNC machine. I use MDF wood 3mm thickness to make the clock, then using laser CNC machine to cut it as design file in step 1. Laser CNC machine will have to cut it in exact dimension as drawing. If you don't have CNC machine, then you can cut it by hand by jigsaw. Step 3. Install each layer together. After cutting, the MDF wood will have burn mark at the edge, so we should clean it by wet cloth. Then we glue each part together as design file. Step 4. Install clock machine. The clock machine can be easily found on market, or you can take it from an old clock. Then we install clock machine into frame as in step 3, and final step is to install the needles. That's it. It's easy to make a beauty and unique art clock, right? Now you can design and make your own clock for yourself or for others as a gift. Thanks for your watching. Please help to share and subscribe my channel. See you next time.